Health insurance is one of those things everyone tells you to get, but what is it really? Let's make it simple. I'm Maya, and today we are making health insurance simple.
Health insurance is a contract between you and an insurance company. You pay a regular amount, called a premium, and the insurer agrees to pay part of your covered medical costs. The main idea is financial protection. If you get sick or hurt, insurance helps pay the big bills so you're not stuck with the full cost.
Your premium is the amount you pay, usually monthly, to keep your coverage active, whether you use care or not. Plans generally help pay for doctor visits, hospital stays, prescription medicines, and preventative care like checkups and vaccines. When you get care, you usually share the cost through a deductible, copays, or coinsurance. We cover each of those in their own videos.
Insurers work with networks of doctors and hospitals. Staying in-network usually costs you less.
Many plans cover preventative care, like yearly checkups and screenings, at little or no extra cost to you.
Every plan is a little different. It lists what's covered, what you pay, and which doctors you can see.
You might get insurance through an employer, buy it yourself on a marketplace, or qualify for a government program like Medicare or Medicaid.
No one plans to get sick. Insurance helps you handle small problems early and big problems without going broke.
Quick recap. Health insurance is a contract. You pay a premium, and the insurer pays part of your covered costs.
It protects you from big bills and helps with routine and preventative care. Always check your plan to see what's covered and what you'll pay. I'm Maya. If this helped, hit subscribe. Let's make insurance simple.